If your OneNote is showing a sync error and saying the server is busy, don't worry, because in many cases this is caused by a Microsoft side issue and not by anything you did wrong. In this video, I'll show you how to check whether the problem is on Microsoft's end, and then walk you through a simple sign out and sign in fix that can often get OneNote syncing again. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. First, open a web browser and go to the Microsoft 365 Service Status page or the OneDrive status dashboard. This is the quickest way to check whether Microsoft is currently having a cloud outage, maintenance cycle, or service interruption affecting OneNote sync. If you see that OneDrive or SharePoint is reporting issues, then the good news is you usually do not need to change anything on your device. In that case, simply leave OneNote open and wait. Your notes should sync automatically the moment Microsoft resolves the server-side problem. This is one of the most important things to know, because trying to force the app to sync during a Microsoft outage often won't help. If the service status looks normal, then the next step is to refresh your account connection inside OneNote. Open OneNote and click File, then go to Account. In the Account section, look for the option to sign out from all connected Microsoft profiles. This is useful because OneNote can sometimes get stuck when multiple accounts are connected or when the sign-in token becomes outdated. After signing out, close OneNote completely. Don't just minimize it, make sure the app is fully closed. Then reopen OneNote and sign back in using your primary Microsoft ID, the one that should be connected to your notebooks and OneDrive storage. Once you sign back in, give OneNote a few moments to reconnect and resync your notes. In many cases, this simple account refresh is enough to clear the server is busy error and restore normal syncing. If your notes still take a moment to update, let OneNote stay open and connected while it finishes syncing in the background. The key takeaway is to first check whether Microsoft is having a temporary service issue, and if not, refresh your OneNote sign-in by signing out and back in again. If this video helped you fix the OneNote sync error, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.